Imagine this. You're at your favorite coffee shop, sipping your usual latte, and you start wondering how much caffeine is actually in this cup. You know the shop claims each latte has around 150 milligrams of caffeine, but you're curious if that's really accurate. How would you figure this out? Well, one way is to test multiple cups of coffee from the shop and measure their caffeine content. But here's the catch. Each cup might vary slightly. So, how do you determine the most likely true caffeine content based on your measurements? This is exactly where maximum likelihood estimation, or MLE, comes into play. MLE is a statistical method used to estimate the parameters of a model by finding the values that make the observed data most probable. In simpler terms, it helps us find the best guess for the true value of something based on the data we have. Let's say you measure caffeine content from 5 different lattes and get these results: 145 milligrams, 152 milligrams, 148 milligrams, 151 milligrams, and 149 milligrams. Now, assuming caffeine content follows a normal distribution, meaning most cups are close to the average, with fewer cups having significantly more or less caffeine, we can use MLE to estimate the true average caffeine content. MLE works by asking, given these measurements, what average caffeine content would make these exact results most likely? It does this by adjusting the parameters, in this case, the mean and variance of our normal distribution, until it finds the values that maximize the likelihood of observing our data. After running the calculations, we might find that the most likely average caffeine content is around 149 milligrams, slightly lower than the shop's claim of 150 milligrams. This estimate is our maximum likelihood estimate. But why is this important? Well, MLE isn't just about coffee. It's a fundamental tool in statistics and machine learning, helping us make informed decisions based on data. For example, when training a logistic regression model to predict whether an email is spam or not, MLE helps determine the best parameters that maximize the likelihood of correctly classifying emails based on historical data. Similarly, in natural language processing, MLE helps language models predict the next word in a sentence by estimating probabilities based on large datasets of text. MLE is also crucial in clustering algorithms like Gaussian mixture models, where it helps identify distinct groups within data by estimating the parameters of multiple overlapping distributions. In short, maximum likelihood estimation is a powerful statistical tool that helps us make sense of data, estimate unknown parameters, and build accurate predictive models.